Hello and welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to log in WhatsApp easily and quickly. In order to log in, we first have to install WhatsApp. I have already installed it in my devices, so make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp on your devices. And it will ask for your phone number. Choose country code and your number you have access to. After entering the number, WhatsApp will send a verification code. Enter the code and you will be logged in automatically. Then WhatsApp provides you backup option. Give an appropriate name to your WhatsApp profile and click on next. And you are ready to chat now. If you are having trouble logging in, make sure you have a stable connection and valid number. You can also restart the app. Now you know how to log in to the WhatsApp on mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe for more guide like this. Thanks for watching.